Are you at a position in your business where you're thinking, I need so much motivation? Like you believe you cannot do anything unless you get motivation maybe from your upline, your downline, your sideline, your bottom line. If you're at that place where you're thinking you need motivation each time to move forward, this conversation is actually going to be for you today. One thing you want to remember is that motivation is temporary. Systems are always going to be permanent. Let's say you go to church, you get the motivation, you're excited, you want to follow God, and then you come home and you throw your Bible under the bed. You're not going to do much of following God, right? That's also how it is in your business. There are some daily, no matter what, some things you have to do in your business, regardless of whether you like doing them or not. You don't like making phone calls. Set a goal of how many phone calls you make every day, because your business is not going to go anywhere unless you talk to someone about it. Maybe you don't like prospecting for new clients. There's always one of two things you'll be doing your entire life. You're either recruiting or you're being recruited in everything. When it comes to motivation, there are some daily habits you personally have to form. For example, let's say you run your own business. There are basic things you have to do. You need to open your shop every day. Let's say you have a grocery store. You cannot have your grocery store closed every day and expect to have all these sales happening. You run a restaurant. Your restaurant, you have to open the door for people to come in and buy food. That's how it is in every business. So in our line of business, life insurance experts, you want to always have your daily habits. Open your store at a certain time, means go to your office. Or maybe you work from home. Get ready and sit in your home office the same time every day. During COVID, I ran the entire year from home. At 8 a.m. every single day, I'm seated in my chair. I sit in that chair till 10 p.m. every day. A client didn't show up, I'm going to go use the restroom, maybe grab something and eat. My husband called me one day and said, you know, you're the very first person I've seen that works from home. I'm like, how? He said, a lot of people say they work from home, but they don't. You actually do work from home. That's buttressing the fact that have your daily habits that you follow every day, because that is the only way you'll be successful. Nobody is going to sit with you and be in your ear 24/7, but the motivations you get when you go to training, when you go to your events, those motivations is just to help you to solidify those habits and move you to the next level in your business. The best motivation is progress. Let's say we give you all this, how to do this, how to do that, and you never actually practice any of them, you will have zero progress. But when you make that call and you book that appointment, that's a win. When you run that appointment and you get that client in, that's a win. Let's say you want to build a team and you speak to a couple people and you're doing that recruiting interview and you bring a new business partner on board, that's a win. So motivation comes more when you take action and you make some progress. Your why must be louder than your excuses. Think about the reason why you decided to do your own business in the first place. Is it your kids? You want to make sure they graduate college without owing student loan? Do you want to retire your parents or your spouse? Do you want to buy that dream home? Are you putting that why in front of you? Some people I've met, they are using their children as their excuse. The reason you started a business is because you wanted more freedom of time and resources so that you can raise your kids by yourself. You're not allowing the society to raise your kids. I cannot stand it when people use their baby. Your reason for success, you're using it as an excuse for failure. But if your why is stronger than your excuses, the how wouldn't even matter. If you're feeling stuck in your business right now and you think you need external motivation to be able to go and run for your dreams and your goals, it's time for a shift. I want you to know that everyone that's successful in this industry and in any industry whatsoever, every single one of them have found that inspiration and they've taken these little steps that we talked about. If you're serious about becoming a disciplined agent that doesn't need external motivation, if that's you, comment discipline below. Share your thoughts. What other things have you done in the past to help you move forward without just depending on external motivation? Remember to subscribe, share this video with other people that will get value from it, and comment.